Hey you guys, I'm excited to bring you this diesel heater. Just pulled everything out of the box. Here's everything that came with it. The unit itself got the operator console and the remote operator as well. This detaches, you can put it on your keychain, operate it from a little farther away, and then comes with the hose here. This is where your heat's gonna come in. Has the exhaust tube, little muffler there, a couple of manifolds. And then this is for the air inlet. It's got a little filter there too, and all your hose clamps. And it's got some self-tapping screws for mounting it up. It also comes with the user manual to walk you step by step through this. Let's go set this thing up. This thing operates off of diesel, gas, and batteries. And the battery is gonna hook up to this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and install a couple ends on this so I can properly affix it to the battery. Okay, got a couple of those connectors on there. And I cut a couple of blocks to mount it on. All right, I got it mounted. There. And before I put fuel in it, I went ahead and tipped it up on its side like this. And now you can see right there, it says out and in. So this is our out, that's our exhaust. So that's gonna go right here. So we're gonna put that around there. And it's just gonna fit right there. This is our intake. That's our air intake. It's going to go around there. Okay, now I went ahead and bent that exhaust around to an L shape. I'm going to bend it a little bit more, but you can see this little access slot there. That helps you tie down your hose clamps there. All right, there we go. Give them a little tug, make sure they don't come off. And then the end of this one, go ahead and put that. The end of this one, put this. And this one here just goes right here. All right, I got my inlet there. I'll go ahead and hook the hose up to it. There you go, got it hooked up to the battery. You can see, let me know that we have some power here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with diesel. All right, I got it all topped off with diesel. Now I'll go ahead and turn this thing on. You can adjust it right here. Your levels. Knock it down, up. So you can see you got battery there. Shows you that the fan's working. It takes a little minute to get it kicked up. Again, you can operate it from right here at the panel or remotely with this thing. This thing's working great. Blowing in some nice hot air. Some nice hot air coming in through there. All right, to turn it off, I'll just press that for 2 seconds. You can hear it kicking down now.